What is up, guys? I'm Neal Jolly and welcome inside Jolly Studios, where we talk about everything cameras and sneakers. And today we're talking about the Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel and checking out today's video, and I'm so glad that you guys are here. And today is a big one, and that is because of you guys. Last week we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is just unreal and so far surpassed anything I'd imagined when I started this channel a couple months back. And when I did start this channel a couple months back, it really was for the love of sneakers and for community, and it's been so fun connecting with you guys that are a part of the community on this channel. And so I thought I could give back to you guys, and maybe we'd call it the 1K giveaway. And so I'm going to be giving away a pair that was my first sneaker review on this channel, which is the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toe. And if you watch that sneaker review, then you know that I picked up one pair to rock and one pair to stock. And so I am giving away the pair that I stocked because I really want to give back to you guys for all of your love and support. And it's something I would like to start here on this channel. And obviously, as the channel grows and over time, I might be able to do more of these giveaways, but I thought I'd start with the 1K milestone. And so stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how you can pick up a pair of the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toes in a size 9.5 US and how you can enter the giveaway. But now let's get into the review of another Jordan 1 Mid, which is the Light Smoke in Gray. And so in this video, we are going to do an unboxing, do a full in-depth review of the materials on this sneaker, give you guys a on-foot look, and then finally my verdict on whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at these sneakers. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Coming in a standard black Jordan box for Jordan 1 Mids with a gold foil Jumpman on the top and the number 23 and a smaller Jumpman on the sides. Upon flipping the lid open and resting inside tissue with all over gold 23 print, the mids come as is with no other dressings. With all the hype and noise around the Jordan 1 High Retro Dior's, it seems like every Jordan 1 that plays on that gray, white, and black color scheme is going to be compared to arguably this year's most highly anticipated Jordan 1. And whether these are inspired by that sneaker is debatable, and I mean, there are similarities to an extent, but when it comes to materials, that conversation would end, as the Dior's are a $2,000 sneaker, and just based on that alone, one would have to assume and imagine that they would have far superior materials, far more premium materials than any Jordan 1 Mid, and specifically this Jordan 1 Mid would. However, these bad boys are a super clean sneaker, and so let's get into the in-depth review of the sneaker, starting from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom. Along the tip of the toe, we've got this light smoke gray synthetic leather paneling that is smooth in texture but is quite stiff for increased durability, and so these will take some time to break in. Moving to the white vamp, we've got 45 perforated holes with some soft synthetic leather in white that's similar in texture to the light smoke gray paneling. And then moving from the white toe box and into the lacing system, we've got these flat black laces that are weaving through 8 eyelets. Behind the laces, we've got a light smoke gray shoe tongue, and this nylon tongue is fairly breathable. And then moving to the top of the tongue, we have a black fabric tag with Jumpman Air branding in gray. Sliding over to the midfoot, which is identical on both the medial and lateral sides, we've got some white, ever so slightly textured synthetic leather. And right in the center of the midfoot, we've got the iconic one-piece smooth matte black Nike swoosh that wraps around the sneaker from the lateral to the medial side. And then following the swoosh up to the ankle tab in light smoke gray, we've got the Air Jordan Wings logo debossed in this black glossy finish. And behind the ankle tab, we've got some more white paneling along the collar of the sneaker, and I think it looks super clean. And based on the color scheme of that black and white contrasting that you will find on the midfoot, I guess you could say that that collar could have been black as well, but I think they really did nail it here, going ahead with the white. Moving inside the sneaker, we've got a black fabric mesh sock liner and a gray insole with the Jumpman printed on the heel in black. You'll also find the shoe tag attached to the black nylon interior of the tongue. And then moving to the bottom, we've got a solid white midsole along the whole sneaker with an incorporated air sole unit that provides lightweight cushioning. And then we've got a full rubber outsole in gray and the standard Jordan 1 traction patterns. And for those curious, the materials on this mid when compared to the Chicago Black Toes is identical. And so if you do have a pair of the Chicago Black Toes, then you can expect much of the same in terms of its build and comfort. But now's my favorite part of the video, where I finally get to throw these sneakers on feet, style them, and give you guys a closer look. As for sizing, the Jordan 1 silhouette across the board from highs, mids, and lows are advised to fit true to size, and I'd agree. However, these are actually a full size up, a 10.5 US to my standard 9.5 US, and so for me, these had a bit more room than I'd like, but I replaced the insole with a thicker one, and I'd say they kind of fit me like half a size up, which I don't mind. I find that I can go half a size up on Jordan 1s with no problem, but I'd personally recommend that you stay true to size if you can. I grabbed my pair from Foot Locker Canada a couple weeks back with a retail price of 150 Canadian or otherwise 110 USD, and these just kind of popped up on their site with really no promo or anything, and I was able to grab a size 10.5 US because for whatever reason there was only limited sizing available and they were all for a larger adult sizing, and so these were sold out within the first couple of days that they did go up. And so for us Canadians, I'm not sure when and if these will be back and where, and it looks like as of June 9th these did go up on Nike.com according to Sneaker News, but I'm not sure if that's just regional and where, and so unfortunately I don't have anywhere to direct you guys to for a retail price outside of the resale market. And so if you guys have seen these currently available, please feel free to let the community know in the comment section below. However, if you don't want to wait, these are pretty close to retail value on the resale market, and so I've left a direct link in the description box below for you to check these sneakers out on StockX and potentially pick up a pair for yourself. And now's the part of the video where I make my case for whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at these sneakers, with shoot being picking these sneakers up at their current retail price, hold being potentially waiting for these sneakers to go on sale or for another opportunity to pick these sneakers up, and pass being that these sneakers might not be for me or for you, but for somebody else. And when it comes to the Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray, I say you shoot your shot. As mentioned earlier, these are slightly reminiscent of the Jordan 1 Dior's, and let's be honest, the likelihood of any of us getting that pair is slim to none. And well, these are a lot more attainable and honestly a super clean sneaker. And so if you guys do follow me over on IG, then you know that I keep my fits very monochromatic, so a black, white, and gray sneaker is right up my alley. And as a black, white, and gray sneaker, these are super versatile. You can wear them with some white socks and black shorts with a white tee, or dress them up with some darker denim and a collared shirt. And while I understand that mids are not everyone's cup of tea, you cannot deny that the Jordan brand has been bringing some serious heat in terms of new colorways to the mid lineup, like the Light Smoke Gray and even the Chicago Black Toe, which is an iteration of a Jordan 1 High OG colorway like the Chicago's. And like I've mentioned previously, the Jordan 1 Mid is just a more economical and attainable sneaker, and I'm all for that. But now I'd love to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'd love to connect with you guys there. And so now let's talk about the giveaway of the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toe and how to enter. These are a size 9.5 US, brand new in their original box, and so if you aren't a size 9.5, unfortunately they may not fit you, but you can still choose to enter in the giveaway if you'd like, and do whatever you choose to if you do win them, whether that's keeping them, gifting them, or flipping them to somebody else. And so here's how to enter, and it's through 3 simple actionable steps for subscribers and followers of this community. And so, number 1, be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me over on Instagram at Neal Jolly. And number 3, while on Instagram, find this image and just drop a comment mentioning that you have completed all the steps with the word done. This giveaway will run until July 1st, and I will randomly select the winner after checking that you've completed all 3 steps. And I'll announce the winner over on IG stories on July 1st and in the first video of July as well. And guys, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you guys again for all of your love and support and helping this channel hit the 1K milestone. You guys are seriously the best. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and if you really liked it, I hope that you will subscribe and join the community here on this channel, because we've got a lot more sneaker videos that are on the way. That's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for your time and support of this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.